think there's a lot of resistance that we're experiencing, but that resistance, at least in our environment, is not one of I'm going to lose my job. It's one of I don't think this thing will work. So we've got a lot of developers. Some of the older developers, for example, are absolutely not convinced that AI can help them with programming. So the only ways I'm going to know is to force them to do it. There's no fear of them losing their job, but it's about getting more productivity out of it, out of the individual, out of the team, and obviously out of our company. We don't have, maybe in other companies it might be a different thing, but in our company there's no fear of a person losing their job because of AI. We're a technology company, so I think there'll be a fear of if our company is not getting involved with AI, we might be losing out as a company. That's maybe more of a fear. With regards to LLMs and agentic AI or agents, so I think we're at the playing phase. I think we know a lot about LLMs. I think to integrate LLM into a product is very expensive. They don't tell you that. It's quite cheap, $20 a month for ChatGPT. And it's amazing. I use it every day, helps me with my presentations. But to integrate LLMs into our products to help query data, for example, every query, OpenAI or Google are charging you for that query. So the numbers are adding up. And so we're not yet able to resolve how do we build LLMs into our products, because I'm not sure yet if we can charge the customer for that yet. So I would say we're at the playing phase. On the agent side, we have one of our guys, he's got 3 agents that are helping him build an application. One is to define the scope. The other one is to do a more detailed definition of what that scope is from a programming perspective. The other one is to create wireframes, so 3 agents, and that's going to be put into Microsoft Copilot to write the code. It won't get it right, I know that, but it'll take him much closer, much faster to an endpoint. So I think those last 2 points we're playing. But I think there's some hidden things around LLMs, around the cost of running the model that maybe not fully understood. There's lots of hype and lots of people, I've got LLMs in my product, but just look at how much you must pay